Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize Policy Watch to stay ahead of important changes in your in-force book, from death benefit updates to policy status changes. These alerts create natural opportunities for client conversations and help you deliver superior service. To set up a Policy Watch notification, navigate to any policy owner profile screen where you should see a Watch Policy button. Click on this button and a pop-up window will appear. It is here that you can set notifications to send to you whenever a significant event happens on the policy. Clicking on the notification type dropdown will show you options such as annual premium, beneficiary, cash value, even policy status. Once you've selected your notification type, click Create, and your notification will be created successfully. After setting the Policy Watch notification, you can view the notification in the policy details by first clicking on View Details, then scrolling down to the pending notifications, then clicking the Policy Watch tab. Here you can see your notification that you've just created for this policy owner, where you can click on this action button to either view, edit, or delete the notification if you wish. When the policy change is triggered, the user will receive an email notification alerting them about the change. And when they log into the platform, they will receive an in-app notification about the change as well, which you can view by clicking on the bell icon at the top right corner of the page. This will show you details of the notification itself. The change will also be documented in the notifications dashboard. Remember that you can get to the notifications dashboard by clicking on the View All button when looking at your notifications. This will bring you to a collection of all of your Policy Watch notifications, along with your other notifications as well, such as your policy events, premium tracker, and plenty more. You can also add Policy Watch notifications to an entire list of policies, so you can have a notification send to you whenever any policy in a list of multiple has gone through a significant change as well. Here are a few examples of how valuable setting Policy Watch notifications can be. Say an agent has a list of UL policies with a death benefit amount greater than $1 million. On the list screen, click on the Actions button for your list, then select Watch Policy. From here, add a Policy Watch notification for any cash value change of greater than 20%. Once you're done, click Create. This will alert you so that you can look into the reason for the change and contact your client to explain the change as well. This may be the key difference between keeping and losing your client. Another example is the following. Say that you want to be notified in advance anytime there is a change in the policy status for your entire book of business. You can create a list of your entire in-force book by first clicking on the Life Policies button on the left-hand navigation to see your entire list of policies. Click on this checkbox to select all records, and make sure to click on the underline message to select all records as well. Then select Add to List. From here, give your list a name, then select Proceed. Next, click on the Actions button, then select Watch Policy, and select Policy Status as the notification type. Once you're done, click Create, and now you will be notified via email and through an in-app notification anytime there is a policy status change so that you can be proactive and get right in front of your client. Overall, Policy Watch and NIC keeps you informed of important changes across individual policies or entire lists, helping you stay proactive and provide timely client support. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.